Hello students, what is virtual function concept in C++? See, if we are overriding any member function, means if base class and derived class are having same member function in it, having same function signature, then that is the concept of function overriding. In this base class I have defined display member function and the same is redefined in derived, then this is just a function overriding concept. Now you know base class pointer is capable of holding address of base class object as well as derived class object. Now here this base class pointer I have created like BPTR of type base, and here one object is of type base and one object is of type derived. Now suppose I am storing address of base pointer like address of B inside this base pointer, and I am calling member function like BPTR arrow display like this. Whatever display member function we have written inside base class, that will be called, because here object is of type base and again pointer is of type base. Now I am storing address of derived object in base pointer, then D is a object of type derived class object's address I am storing in base pointer and I am calling display member function. Then see, again base class display member function will be called. Always preference is given to pointer. Now I want that if I am storing address of base, then base member function should be called, and if I am storing address of derived, then derived display member function should be called. In that case we have to declare base class member function display as a virtual like this, virtual void display. Now if you are trying to store address of base object in base pointer, then base member function will be called, and if you are storing address of derived object in base pointer, then of course derived member function will be called. This is just a concept of virtual function. Getting? To learn more, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.